Hi, you're with me, Janine, Change for Success. Welcome to this tapping video. If you do like these videos, as always, please do hit subscribe and the notification bell, and then you get notified because I do record one of these a week. But today we're going to tap on helping you relax. Now, when we use tapping, emotional freedom technique, the moment we start tapping on these meridian points, it actually lowers cortisol. So it helps lower the stress response. So why not do a tapping video on helping you relax? Because a lot of us get into a funk where we feel stressed out, we feel tired, we feel overwhelmed and low in energy. So this video is going to help you get to a state where you feel more relaxed, more calm, more at peace. So I want you just to check in with how you're feeling, okay? On a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being not relaxed at all, kind of really stressed out, and not being completely relaxed. Check in with where you are on that scale. Give yourself a number on a scale of 0 to 10. Check in with where that affects you. Does it affect your kind of head, your body? How does that really make you feel? Just check in, just notice how you're feeling at the moment. Take a nice deep breath in and kind of breathe out, and have the intention just to really relax into this session, okay? We're just going to spend 5 minutes or so, and if you just start tapping on the side of your hand, okay. So I'm choosing to let go all this stress, overwhelm, and all this worry. I want to let it all go. Feeling more calm and relaxed. Allowing relaxation to flow through every part of my body. Just letting go all this overwhelm, all this stress, whatever it is that's stopping me relax. Tapping into feelings of relaxation, letting go all that stress. I'm going to stop beating myself up as well. And I choose to love and accept me anyway, and maybe anyone else that might be involved. Just starting to wind down now, letting go all these stress responses, focusing on relaxation, calm, peace, because today, just for a moment or two, I choose to let go. Okay, let's tap it on the points. All this stress, all this overwhelm, all this overthinking, I want to let it go. It's really affecting my life, and it's affecting my ability to relax. And I'm feeling so stressed out, so overwhelmed, and then I get burnt out. I want to be able to let it all go. I want to be open to releasing and letting go, because it's simply holding me back. It's keeping me stuck. So I'm tapping into feelings of relaxation, feeling more calm and relaxed. Even as I tap, I'm feeling more relaxed. Letting relaxation flow through every part of me. Feeling relaxed, calm and at peace. Just breathing in a sense of calm. Breathing in a sense of inner zen. Focusing on this calming feeling. Focusing on feeling more relaxed. Letting relaxation flow through every part of me. Letting relaxation flow to every cell in my body. Letting relaxation go wherever it wants. I'm feeling more calm, more serene, more balanced. Letting go all those old stresses. Letting them just bounce off and away as I choose to tap into feelings of relaxation. Feeling so relaxed, letting all that old stuff go. Calm and relaxed within every cell of my body, within every fibre of my being. Tapping into feelings of deep relaxation. letting any old stresses bounce off and away as I feel completely relaxed now throughout every single cell in my body. That's great. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out and really let any tension just float and drift and melt away. So I wanted to check in with that number. Let me know in the comments where you were and where it went down to. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and do let me know how you get on. Repeat this video as and when necessary. The more we tap, the more relaxed we can feel. Why not take a moment to, to feel mindful and look after yourself, as much as we can during any time in the day. Okay, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.